Welcome to another video on this channel. So today's video that I'm coming to share with you, I'm so excited because this video is one video that can help a lot of people, especially those of you who wants to start your own business and you don't have that capital, but you have that desire to start your own business and so on. Now, maybe you don't have like 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 and stuff to start your own business, but this video will help you to start a business that costs like 10,000, 20,000 and stuff like that, but you are not going to put in any capital. Sometimes we try to give business ideas that people can start without capital, but some way, somehow, people end up putting something into it. But there are some people that really want to start business, but trust me, like they don't even have one cedi, but they are determined to start business. So this one, if you are one of these people, you can take this video to your advantage. If you find this video helpful, please don't subscribe, just like and share so that other people can also, have access to this video. Now, we all know we are facing challenges globally and business models are changing. Now, how you used to sell your products, now you need a new strategy to actually sell some of these products. So it's the same new strategy that is coming, and there is this company that is actually helping people to use this new strategy to sell products and make profits for themselves. So let me go straight to the point. There is this company that is giving you the opportunity to sell smartphones and make a commission out from that. So some of the smartphones cost like 3,000, some of them cost like 2,000, some of them cost like 1,000 cedis. So they give all these original Samsung smartphones to you or Nokia smartphones, then you sell them and then you make a commission from them. I think this is a good idea because you don't need any capital to get started with this. And as someone who wants to do business or you want to start your own business and stuff like that, selling should be your number one priority. If you can't sell actually, then you can actually be in business. So that is one thing you have to bear in mind. So now let me give you a breakdown about this. You see that now the system, how the things are going, like people find it very difficult to take like, let's say 1,000 cedis, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 to buy smartphones at once, especially if your salary is not that much. You can take that whole money to go and then buy smartphone at once. So what the company does is that they give you the smartphone to go and market it out to people. Yours is to just give it to the people and then you take their details, and all these ones is not something you are going to keep in your book. All these ones will be done on the phone. So once you give the phone to the people, it's left to the people and the company. So how this works is, they pay on installments. You are not going to do a full payment at once. So let's say I am the one selling the phones and you want to buy. Now I give you the phone and then you do a part payment and the rest you'll be paying it on installment. But I will not come to you to ask for money and all that, because all that will be done right on the phone. And the phones are correct phones because I went to see it myself and I'm finding ways and means to actually partake in this. This is actually a good side hustle. I think this is a good business model, especially in the era that we are in now. So if you are someone who is interested or you want to know more about this business, you can leave a comment below and I'll take my time and do a full long video that will break down everything into pieces for you so that you actually get the whole concept. So how do you make money from this business and how are payments made? Now, all you need is to market the product to the people. Once someone accepts to buy the product and you fill in their details, that's okay, meaning the person has made like a part payment. So let's say someone can make a part payment of 300 cedis and take like 1,000 cedis phone. So once the person make that payment and they are paying the rest little by little, the company will pay your commission to you directly. So you don't have to wait for the people to finish paying or doing the payment to the company. Once you sell, immediately they send your commission straight into your mobile money wallet. So guys, that's basically how the payment process is. If you sell like 2 phones, you earn over 100 Ghana cedis. Now this is not something like they are cheating. The company is not cheating customers, they are rather helping customers. The reason is, as I said, people find it very difficult to take like, let's say 1,000 cedis, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 to buy smartphones at once, especially if your salary is not that much. You can take that whole money to go and then buy smartphone at once. Alright, so guys, this is something I'm actually introducing to you. So if you have questions, you can leave it in the comment section. So out from your questions, I can come out with a better video explaining each and every single process, or how you can even get started with this business step by step. I believe this video has been helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, please don't subscribe, just like and share so that other people can also, have access to this video. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video.